Hey guys, welcome to the video on how to use the best Google APIs inside Pabbly Connect. Now let's first talk about APIs. Guys, every software company out there releases APIs for their users and for developers. API stands for Application Programming Interface, which is a digital infrastructure which allows different applications to exchange data. So with the help of APIs, users and developers can integrate different applications and automate their repetitive tasks and workflows. Now coming back to Google APIs. So guys, Google is more prolific in releasing APIs than other software companies. With the staggering number of 246 APIs on Google, Google has made incredible efforts to provide resources to users and developers to make the most out of their services. And we have already churned out all those APIs, and here I am with some of the best APIs by Google which you can use inside Pabbly Connect to automate your repetitive tasks to boost your productivity and save a ton of your time. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So guys, one of the best Google API which our users generally use is for Google Analytics. So with the help of the API of Google Analytics, you can connect Google Analytics tool with different applications, and here's one example on my screen. Here is the use case. With the help of this automation, you can export Google Analytics data to Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Similarly, you can connect Google Analytics with Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet program as well. Next in the list is the API for Google Calendar. So this is also very widely used application and our users generally connect it with different other applications to automate their repetitive task. One example is here for getting automated WhatsApp reminders from Google Calendar. Okay, so this is very useful automation we have, and you can also use the same. Next in the list is the API for connecting Google Ads with different other applications. So with the help of this API, you can connect Google Ads with applications like WhatsApp. And here is one example. You can see this integration is for sending WhatsApp messages for new Google Ads leads. So you can use this automation for lead management and for responding to the leads promptly. And this is a really useful automation for all the business owners out there. Next Google API available inside Pabbly Connect is for connecting Google Docs with different applications. So here you can see in the example, you can connect Google Docs with your WordPress website to import the data of Google Docs to your website automatically. So it's really good in case when you have a team of writers who are creating content for your WordPress website. You can use this automation to directly import the data from Google Docs on a WordPress website, so it will save a lot of your time and boost your productivity. Another Google API available inside Pabbly Connect is for connecting Google Drive, and here is another interesting use case, and here is the demo how you can use the same API for connecting the same application inside the automation workflow. So here you can see this automation is created for automating the file transfer between two folders of the same Google Drive, or you can use it for different Google Drive as well. So this is really awesome tool for connecting two different Google Drives or the two folders of the same Google Drive. And in the last, we have the most popular API of Google for connecting Google Sheets with numerous different applications inside Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this API of Google Sheets, you can connect Google Sheets with many different applications. One example is here for sending bulk messages directly and automatically from Google Sheets. This is widely used by many of our users, and you can use this same too. And guys, all the use cases I have shown you, we have already created dedicated videos on them. I'm going to paste the link of all those videos in the description. You can watch those videos and learn all these awesome automations using Google APIs inside Pabbly Connect.